Hello, my name is Bill. I am a chemist here at Superior Flux. Today we're going to show you how to solder a copper tube to stainless steel using solder foil and Superior number 520B. The purpose of this video is to show how easily copper can be soldered to steel with a non-zinc chloride flux. Such a flux is non-corrosive to the copper and steel and will not turn the copper green. Step 1 is to apply Superior number 520B to the surface of the stainless steel and to the surface of the solder preform. Step 2 is to fixture the copper tube against the steel surface. Step 3 is to begin soldering. We are using a MAP gas torch and will begin to solder. It is important to evenly apply the heat over the surface. Step 4 is the cooling process. We will apply water misting to cool down the assembly. Step 5 is to brush off and remove the excess flux. Step 6 is to check if the solder joint was successful. It is successful because there is a good solder fillet between the copper and steel if you look at the inside and outside diameter of the copper tube. This application is used for customers soldering copper to steel for cooling. Copper coils are frequently soldered to the sides of stainless steel vessels to serve as cooling elements. A proper soldered connection ensures excellent heat transfer properties. If you are interested in learning more about Superior number 520B or our other products, check out our website at superiorflux.com. If you would like to purchase our flux or soldered preform, give us a call at 440-349-3000 or email us at info@superiorflux.com.